Hi, my name is Nat and today I'm here to talk about Folifort, a natural supplement that will help your hair grow. I imagine that if you are here watching this video review, it is because you are looking for more information about this product. Good news is that you are in the right place. I'm here to share very important information about Folifort that can help you before you buy this product. But I have a very important warning to give you. If you are going to buy this product, buy from the official website so you don't buy from places that sell the product that is not genuine. To help you, I left the link to the official Folifort website here in the video description. And you might be wondering if Folifort works. Yes, Folifort works because it is a method with proven results. Over 1,800 happy customers who've successfully reinvigorated their hair with Folifort. It's 7 years of research and 12 natural ingredients. This natural supplement has worked for many people because it has in the formula. Fo tea is a Chinese hanging plant that has miraculous properties when it comes to supporting hair rejuvenation. Its root is one of the most important tonic adaptogens of traditional Chinese medicine, revitalizing hair follicles at their root. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, biotin is one of your hair's best friends. It stimulates keratin production, thus increasing the rate of growth and making your hair much more resistant to shedding. By increasing your zinc to optimum levels, you'll maintain the oil glands which nurture and protect your hair from environmental damage. Vitamin B5 helps rebuild your individual hair shafts, shielding your follicles from damage incurred due to blow drying and aggressive shampoo formulas. Horsetail extract is known to improve the circulation of your blood, including the circulation on your scalp. Nettle roots are rich in silica and sulfur, which work in tandem to make your hair shinier and healthier. Saw palmetto. It aids in combating hair deterioration by reducing the uptake of DHT in hair follicles and decreasing its ability to bind to specific hormone receptors. White peony root is an increasingly popular supplement due to its ability to support hair growth from the inside out. The presence of white peony in your system acts as a shield for your scalp that protects it from irritation and flaking. Folifort is standing out precisely because it contains several natural ingredients within the formula that will help you to have these benefits. Folifort has worked for many people. On the sales page I left on the link below, there are people reporting the results they had after using this supplement. Folifort comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, 60 full days from your original purchase. That's it. I hope I was able to help you. The manufacturer delivers to your home. In the promotion you get free shipping.